Hi Muffins! Welcome to my kitchen and thank you so much for tuning in. You guys are going to love today's video. I'll be sharing my easy white cake recipe, but instead of baking a cake, we'll be making cupcakes. Once the cupcakes are done, I'll be showing you how to make some fully edible and super adorable Christmas tree cupcake toppers to glam up your cupcakes for the holidays. These are so fun to make and a lot easier than they look. So if you want to see how I made these adorable Christmas tree cupcakes, then please stay tuned.
For the cupcakes, you'll need 1½ cups of cake flour, 1 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Sift these together and set aside. You'll also need 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 2 large eggs. Be sure to keep them separate as they'll be added to the batter one at a time. 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon each of almond extract and vanilla extract. In a mixing bowl, combine your sugar and your butter and mix on high until well combined. You'll know you're ready for the next step when your mixture looks creamy and pale in color. Now it's time to add in your eggs. Turn your mixer down to low speed and add your eggs one at a time. Once your eggs have mixed in, turn off your mixer and add in some of your cake flour, followed by some of your buttermilk. Continue to add them a little at a time, remembering to alternate between the two. The most important thing in this step is to start and end with the flour. Allow your batter to mix for about 1 minute. Now add in your vanilla and almond extracts and allow to mix for 30 seconds more. Turn off your mixer, scrape down the bottom and sides of the bowl, and give it one last good mix. And your white cake batter is now complete. Now line a muffin pan with cupcake liners and use an ice cream scooper to fill each cavity. Bake your cupcakes on 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 22 to 25 minutes. And now for the fun part. To make your Christmas tree toppers, you will need white candy melts. Melt these in your microwave until they reach a smooth consistency. You'll also need an assortment of colorful sprinkles and some small pretzel sticks. To assemble your cupcakes, you'll also need some shaved coconut and some white buttercream frosting. I'll leave a link to my buttercream tutorial down below. To build your Christmas trees, you'll need a baking tray lined with some parchment paper. Take a pretzel and place it vertically on your parchment paper. Next, take your melted candy in a piping bag with a small end cut off and draw a 2-inch line from left to right about halfway up your pretzel. Make your way all the way up, being sure to make each new level a little shorter than the last. Once you reach a little beyond the top of your pretzel, end with a perfectly centered point. Before the candy melts harden, decorate your trees with your colorful sprinkles. Repeat for as many cupcakes as you'd like and set in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes to firm. Now take your fully cooled cupcakes and generously frost the entire top with your white buttercream frosting. Once they're fully frosted, dip the buttercream in some shaved coconut. This will give the illusion of snow. Once your Christmas trees have set, they'll easily release from the parchment paper, and you'll be left with the cutest and most glam little Christmas trees. And for the final step, all you have to do is gently push the pretzel into the center of your cupcake. And there you have it, Christmas tree cupcakes.
And that's it. That's how I make adorable Christmas tree cupcakes. As always, the full list of ingredients can be found down in the description box and of course on the blog at karrahgermain.com. I'll be sharing more photos and quick videos of how I made these on Instagram, so please follow at Karrah's World. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below so I know you watched. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tutorials. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching. And as always, stay sweet.